Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and this is my buddy Bart. He is a chameleon lamp from the MAYOLA company, and isn't he just the cutest thing? I love it so much that I was having difficulty trying to figure out where I should put him. There are just so many creative ways to use Bart around the house. This lamp does come in a few different colors. I went with the gold. I think it's just really unique. Bart does come with a light, so when you purchase the lamp, you don't have to worry about finding the right style of light to fit into his tail. It actually comes included, which I think is also really unique for a company. He's very solid and also lightweight, and this light is pretty bright and has a really nice warm tone to it. It makes a really good reading light because of the warmth. The color of him was very consistent. I didn't notice any dings or scratches, and the details are phenomenal. I love all the little bumps and scales on him and the little expression that he makes. We love our little chameleon lamp, and he would make a wonderful addition to anyone's home. And that's our point of view.